Hi, I am Richard Baker from truevan.co.uk. This is the Fleet Vehicle Profiler tool, and I'm going to show you briefly how to operate this. So first of all, we've got three worked examples: Sam Jones, Tom Frank and Phil Lee. Let's look at Sam Jones. This is a tool that will capture his usage of his vehicle over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday across here, and then the summary is shown in the week here. So on day one, Monday, he works within a radius of 25 miles of base. He completes 60 miles, and then the load that he carries in the vehicle is only 25%. Tuesday he works within 25 miles, does a total of 54 miles that day and carrying a load of 30%, and so on. The sum total for the week is displayed here. So for the week he's been working within a radius at an average over the 5 days of the week of 25 miles from base. He's completed 267 miles here, and his load on average over the 5 days has been 29%. Now, if that vehicle was an electric vehicle, then the cost in electric is worked out at 3 miles per kilowatt and 15 pence per kilowatt. Details of that are contained in the notes down here. But that would be the cost of running that vehicle over the week-long period, £13.35. The diesel cost has been calculated at £39.40, at £6 per gallon, 40 miles per gallon. So the combined cost, and then we've got the congestion charge or clean air charge. Now we're assuming this vehicle has been going into London, so in the week it's made 3 visits into London, which is the congestion charge plus the ULEZ charge of a total of £24 per day times 3 days gives us £72. So now what we then do is take the combination of the clean air charge. Now you can change that, by the way. The clean air charge can be whatever you want to put it, but in some towns it's going to be, cities rather, very shortly they're going to implement a charge of somewhere in the region of £8 to £10 a day, so you can change that. Come back to us if you want to change that criteria there. But in this worked example, £72 is the clean air charge during the week for Sam Jones. The cost of the diesel is £39.40. Them two added together, less the electricity cost. If you were running this as an electric vehicle, your saving would be £98.50, and that's basically how it works. So run that scenario over each of your drivers on a week-by-week basis, and you'll begin to build a pattern, as we have here across these 3 drivers: the range in which they operate, the radius, the mileage they're completing, and the load percentage. This will then give you a summary on a week-by-week basis of the usage across your vehicle fleet. And the point being is, do you necessarily need to run diesel vans in all settings? Because increasingly in urban settings the use of diesel is clearly being discouraged, and you are being encouraged to run much cleaner alternatives, which is in this case ideally zero emission electric vehicles. Now there are zero emission electric vans available, and that's where we come in, because we can assist you with that. So please do get in touch once you have completed this profiling tool across your fleet, and we would love to talk to you further about that. So good luck in completing this. If you have any questions, please do get in touch. I'm Richard Baker. You can get in touch via us, via the TrueVan website. Just click on the logo there. We'll take you to the website, and our contact details are on the website, and we'd be more than happy to help you in the completion of your vehicle fleet profile. And once you've done the profile, then please do get in touch anyway to help you move forward with your vehicle choices to save you money, and that is the whole point, is to save you money across your fleet usage. Also, please look out for this card that we have posted in the Royal Mail to you. Now this card is going to help you also profile your fleet of vans, because the first 2 of these 3 vans showing are electric. The third one is a Transit Custom diesel van, which again is a very popular choice of vehicle. Now, in terms of how we've broken down the costs associated with these vehicles, these are typical vehicles that you may find in a vehicle fleet. Fuel charge for an electric is about 3 pence a mile, roughly speaking. For a diesel, well, a Transit Custom about 20 pence a mile. Road tax, 0 on the 2 electric, £260 for the year for the Transit. Clean air cost, if you're going into a zone where there is a clean air charge, for the electric, 0 or minimal. For the Transit van, well, you are going to be charged whatever it is, £8, £10, £24 if it's in London. If it's a 2016 or earlier van. What is distance is it good for? Well, the 2 Electric less than 100 miles a day, whereas the Transit Custom more than 100 miles a day. Yes, you could easily be saving more than 500 a month per van, because with electric you've got minimal fuel, no congestion charging, and also car parking charges. Now on a slightly older diesel, mid 2016 or earlier, you will be charged conceivably quite a bit more to park, whereas with electric currently in some places, and probably more in the near future, it will be free. So these are costs that you need to bear in mind going forward running your fleet. It's all going to start adding up for, unfortunately, the diesel van, the older diesel van. Hence why the need to consider urgently electric. Thank you for watching, and if you need any more information, then please do get in touch via the truevan.co.uk website. I'm Richard Baker, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.